2021. We are returning to Long Creek after having shopped down in John Day and had a beer. And something very shareable is actually coming up. It's as shareable, I would say, I think Rachel would agree, as our having got married. In that it'll only happen once in our lives.
Give yourself another chance, but if you want my loving, don't you drive in my car. You don't know what I'm talking about.
Someday, and here we go. Here it goes. Oh my God, that is amazing. 300,000 miles.
You know me, I'm mellow. Can't think I'm fine. Crack my engine, baby. I get wild and crazy.
Yes, folks, that's 300,000 miles. And just to put that in perspective, it's 25,000 miles around the circumference of the Earth at the equator. So 100,000 miles is 4 times around the Earth at the equator. 300,000 miles is 12 times around the Earth at the equator. And the little old machine made by those clever Japanese people back in 1983 is still humming along. That's just an amazing thing.
My love, don't you drive my